Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone OS, and that drive is updated. This prevents weird sync issues. Once done, open the Google Drive app and verify you're signed into the exact Google account holding the storage. Make sure Wi-Fi is active so large operations won't use mobile data. Tap the three-line menu, then Storage, to see what's using space. This gives immediate visibility, so you can prioritize large items and shared files before moving into deletion and cleanup steps. Next, you focus on what matters most: big files. In Storage, view sort by size so large videos and backups surface first. Tap Files to preview, then long press and delete those you no longer need. Shared files may not free space if owned by others, so check ownership. Once deleted, go to Trash and empty it to actually reclaim space. Drive retains items in trash for 30 days otherwise. Also inspect Google Photos and Docs for duplicates and export anything you want to keep. To finish, you clear all trashes, Drive, Photos, and even Gmail attachments if needed, because only then does space return. Then review settings, right arrow backups, and remove old device backups that silently consume quota. After doing this, force a sync by refreshing the app or signing out and back in to update the storage meter. If numbers still look wrong, restart your phone and check the web drive storage page. Resyncs or cache clears usually resolve lingering discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.